and America too. She's a good girl, crazy about Elvis, loves horses, and her boyfriend too. There's a long way living in Reseda. There's a freeway running through the yard. And I'm a bad boy, 'cause I don't even miss her. I'm a bad boy for breaking her heart. And I'm free, free falling. Now I'm free, free falling. All the vampires walking through the valley, they move west on Ventura Boulevard. And all the bad boys are standing in the shadows, and all the good girls are home with broken hearts. And